Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing my Zara and Forever 21 haul. I went to these two stores and I picked up some items, some things for spring and warmer weather because I'm just so sick of cold weather. Like, I hate it. So I kind of wanted to share with you guys what I got. So this is going to be a Zara and Forever 21 try-on haul. So if you want to see what I got, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I think I'm going to start with Forever 21 because there are just like a little less items than there are Zara. So I have this ginormous bag here. Okay, so the main reason why I went to Forever 21 in the first place was because I saw on TikTok that they were doing like half off of their like sale or their clearance stuff, and there is a huge Forever 21 near me, and I know that there's just like a ton of sale stuff there, so I wanted to go and check it out. And thankfully, or luckily, they were still doing that 50% off sale. I don't think it's online. I think it's only in store. So if you want to go to Forever 21 like today maybe and check it out, I mean, I would highly recommend that because I don't know how long the sale is going to last or even if it's still available. Maybe you should call first before you just like drive over there to make sure it's still going. But yeah, I mostly shopped in that section. I got just like two things that weren't on sale, but the first thing that I got was this cropped black kind of mesh t-shirt. I got this to work out in, so I thought that this was cute. I love cropped t-shirts. I love working out in cropped t-shirts, so I figured what could be better than this, and this was on sale for $9 and then it was half off, so it was $4.50, so super good for that. And then this next piece is super cute. I kind of saw it on like a go back rack, and at first I was like a little iffy, but then I was like, you know what, it's only $4. It was only $4.50 because it was half off, and I figured if I don't wear it, it's only $4, but I think I will. I just have to figure out how to style it because it's a piece that I don't normally gravitate towards, and it's a super cute kind of vertically striped sheer cropped, I just got lip gloss on it, I don't know, like shirt. I thought that this would actually be really cute with like a lace bralette underneath and maybe some black, I don't know, distressed jeans or like a gray jean. I don't really know. And some like white boots. Like, I think that would be really cute. So I'm gonna like play around with this, see kind of how I wear it. And again, it was $9 and then half off that, so $4.50. Okay, this next thing, I am super happy that I found these because these are really popular right now. And I know that H&M has these, but I found them in the sale section at Forever 21, so it was like a major bonus. So these are like yoga pants, but they're more like they're like actual pants. As you can see, they're ribbed. They're really soft. They feel kind of like a faux suede material, and they are flared at the bottom. So I thought that these would be super cute with boots, maybe some sneakers. I don't really know how I'm gonna style these. I haven't worn like yoga pants with a flare since I was in high school, so I am going to have to figure out how to style these. But I'm really excited because these like flared pants are coming back, and I'm here for it. I don't know, I like it. So yeah, I got those. Then these next two pieces were pieces that I got as full price, so these were not in the sale section or anything. But the first thing is this white kind of mock neck long sleeve shirt. I wanted something like this so that I could wear underneath of like dresses or other shirts, or even just like on its own with like wide leg jeans or mom jeans with, you know, a jacket. So I felt like this was a staple that I was just like kind of missing in my closet, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I just got a white one. And I do want to get a black one, but for now white will work. And then the last thing I got at Forever 21 were these wide leg pants. Okay, I'm so used to wearing like mom jeans that the wide, like that's like as wide as I've gone. And so wide leg is very, it's a kind of a scary like area, if that makes any sense. You know, I'm a millennial, okay? We grew up with flares, and then skinny jeans came into the mix. And skinny jeans have been around for, they came out when I was I bought my first pair of skinny jeans, or my mom did, when I was a sophomore in high school, and that was in 2008. So if that gives you any idea of like how like nervous I am for this trend, I don't know what does, because yeah. Anyway, these are these like kind of like faded black color wide leg jeans. Like this, like look at my head. It covers my entire head completely. I tried them on and I think they look cute. I just have to figure out how to style them. They're not distressed or anything. They're actually like a good length considering I'm only 5 feet tall. They're not super long. I do have to wear like my platform Converse and they're fine, but other than that, like they're a pretty good length. Nervous and excited, anxious to try these. Okay, so now we can move on to Zara. Everything I'm about to show you, I think is still, you can still get in store. If I can find a link, I'll try to link everything. The sale stuff from Forever 21, unfortunately, like I can't give you the exact link. I'll try and find like similar items, but I just know that there's just no way. The wide leg jeans I think are still on the site, and then I'll try and look for that long sleeve shirt. But anyway, I'm pretty sure everything from Zara is still there because I just bought it last month in February, so it hasn't been very long. So the first thing that I got was this oversized, it's unbuttoned right now, but it's an oversized like jacket, is that the right word? Like oversized shirt jacket, and it's just white and it's got all kinds of like rips. It's got a rip right here on the shoulder, and it's like really long. It's got some rips like down at the bottom on the sleeves. Like it's just distressed, and I love it. When the first time I saw, oh, the lighting. Okay, earth to lighting. Okay, there we go. The first time I saw it, I knew immediately that I had to have it. I've never owned anything like this, so we'll see how I style that. Okay, so on that same trip to Florida, I also got this little cute tube top from Zara. This is actually what started like the shopping trip in the first place. I saw this and I knew like I wanted it. So it's just like a sweetheart neck kind of a knit, super soft, stretchy, strapless shirt. The only thing is like it doesn't stay up very well, so I'm constantly having to like pull it up. I wish they had added like some kind of like grip to the edges, but they didn't. It's okay because it's still really cute, and this color is just, I really like this color. Clearly this like shade of green. I'm just really into it right now. I don't really know why, but I like it, so I got that. And then I got this shirt recently. I think I got this like last week. Yeah, I got this last week. This is a little blue, like a muted blue cropped like v-neck polo. I thought that this would be really cute with those wide leg pants, so I might like style those together and see kind of how that looks. I don't know, we'll see, but yeah, that is that. Okay, so moving right along, I also picked up this cute little purple. Oh, that is like, whatever color you see is not the true color, I promise. It is way more of a like lilac color than periwinkle blue. Like it's just coming up really blue. It doesn't even say what color it is, but it is kind of like a corset top, but not. It just kind of has like the outline of it. It's got like, it doesn't really have underwire. No, it doesn't have any underwire, but I think this is cute. I think this would be super cute to go out in with some like light wash jeans, or maybe with some shorts and some heels. Like, I don't know, it's a vibe. Or maybe with like a white skirt. I was just kind of, I don't even know like what possessed me to buy this. I really liked it. I don't normally wear color that much. Like this is as colorful as I get, like this like muted green as you guys saw. So I don't know, for springtime, we'll see. I think it's cute, so we'll try it out. All right, and then I also picked up one of these little basic tops, which are like, let me try and fix this. They are like the stretchy kind of like ribbed little tanks. I got a brown one because I feel like I don't really own a ton of brown, and I think brown is a great color. So I went and got this, and I think this would be cute with like white denim, or even like the like washed black. I think that's cute too, with some white boots. Like that would be a look. So I got this. All right, moving along, I also picked up a pair of denim shorts. These are the mid-rise relaxed shorts. I mean, there's really nothing else to them. That's all they say that they are. I get my denim in either a 36 or a 38. These are the shorts I got. I like these because they're a little bit longer than like your typical short. I feel like a lot of shorts right now are just like either too short or too long, but these are like the perfect length. I love the distressing. The wash is literally perfect, so I am obsessed. Okay, so then I picked up a pair of denim. I got the new slim cropped in circus blue slim fit cropped like high-rise jeans. This is what they look like. They have very minimal distressing, not a ton. They have a slit here and then another one here, kind of. It's a little bit smaller, but I really like the knee holes. The bottom still has the hem, which is nice, and these just kind of fit me at a good length. I know that they're supposed to be cropped, but because I'm only 5 feet tall, they just fit me as like normal pants, which is fine. Okay, I almost forgot one thing. I actually just went to go grab it because I'd already hung it up. I got this super cute denim shirt jacket. I have so many denim jackets. I probably have like 4 or 5, but the reason why I liked this one is because it looks more like a shirt than it does a jacket, if that makes sense. And I think it has to do with like the hem. It's like more curved than straight. Usually denim jackets have just like a straight hem, and this I thought was just like so unique, so different, so cute. And it's cropped, so it's not a long length shirt jacket, and it just fits so nicely. So I picked this up because I couldn't resist another denim jacket. But yeah, that basically concludes this entire Zara haul and Forever 21 haul. I really hope I didn't bore you guys to death. I hope like you liked what I got. I don't know, I liked everything. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. I will have my handle right here, as well as down below in the description box I have a link. Again, I will try my best to link everything that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, please make sure that you subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.